Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix location sharing isn't enabled on this device on your iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, if you want to share your location and it's not working and you're getting that location sharing isn't enabled, then what you have to do guys, just simply you have to uh, open the settings. Now from here you have to make sure that if you're properly connected with internet, then you have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on privacy and security. Now from here you have to tap on location services. First of all guys, you have to tap on location alerts and make sure that if this toggle is turned on, so you have to turn on show map and location alerts. Then go back from here, and after that you have to tap on share my location. From here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on find my iPhone. Now from here guys, you have to tap on this one. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to turn on share my location. If it's turned off, just simply have to turn this on. If it's turned on, just simply have to turn this off. Tap on find my, turn off the find my. So from here guys, you have to turn off find my, and after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to open the settings again. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down a bit, tap on general. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down, tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Just simply have to reset your network setting, then close this page, open the settings. From here you have to tap on general again, tap on software update, and just simply have to update your device to the latest iOS version. Then what you have to do guys, just simply have to force restart your devices depending on which model you are using. Just simply have to force restart your device, and after that open the settings again, scroll it down a bit. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on privacy and security again, and tap on location services. Now tap on share my location, tap on find my. Just simply have to turn on find my or turn on share my location, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.